Okay, number 7. The best way to see a very specific part of the drawing is to marquee select the area using the zoom tool. That is true. If I click the zoom tool and just marquee select around one of these rectangles, it will be front and center right there in front of me. I'll double click the hand to return to the artboard. Many people click the zoom tool and just try and click their way to get it close, and that might be okay, but the fastest way is just to marquee select around it. The tilde key may be pressed down while a shape is being created. It will create one duplicate. That's false. The tilde key, which is to the left of the number 1 key on your keyboard, it can be pressed down. Right now it's not. Now I will press it, and from this point on it gives me a whole number of duplicates, with each duplicate being slightly larger than the last one. Rarely use it, but maybe one day there is a need to get a whole number of objects on a page very quickly, and that is how you could do it. So it doesn't create one duplicate, it creates many. Number 9. If you move an entity while holding down the Alt key, you will create a duplicate. That is true. As soon as I press the Alt key, you can see the cursor change. I'm moving this and I release the mouse first, and I am left with a duplicate. Number 10, you want to size a square to make it bigger and remain a true square. You must hold down the Shift key while sizing a corner handle. Well, part of that is true, but overall it's false for this reason. When we make a square, we know that as soon as we press the Shift key, it constrains it to a square. Now I'm trying to size this. I can use any handle to size it. As soon as I press down the Shift, any handle, it's the Shift key is going to keep those square proportions true. Polygons may be created with a minimum of 4 sides. Actually, the minimum number of sides is 3. Number 12, you click the Select tool, then press down Shift and randomly select 5. Let's deselect. Press down Shift, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you color red from the palette over here. Only those 5 will be colored red, not all 10. Sometimes it looks like this one might be in the selection because the blue box goes around it, but it's only these ones with the extra blue outline.